Hi everybody, if you're just joining us, last time we managed to get the repair panel cut to the right size and marked out. This time we're going to start actually getting the first welds in. So now I'm at the point where I want to cut this quite precise line. I guess I would normally wade in here with an angle grinder, zip cut, because my tin snip skills are so poor and limited. So I thought I'd try and up my game and try and get to the bottom of what colour handled snips you're supposed to use for what application. So there seems to be a popular misconception that straight snips are for cutting straight, and right and left, or marked R and L, are right and left for cutting curves, but I hope to show that that's not really the case. Basically, for the sort of work we do, you can forget these and concentrate on these two. So I'm going to show you that you can get good results if in this scenario you're cutting from left to right. I'm going to be using the red snips. In this scenario we're going to be cutting right to left. I'm going to be using the green snips. So I hope you can see you can get a nice distortion free cut with the aviation snips, as long as you use the right one for the right application. So before I fit the new panel in for the last time, here's just a quick shot of the new flanges I had to make up. All this shiny's all new, the top's still original, but yeah, luckily as you can see everything else is almost in perfect condition. It's just literally these very last outer edges have gone. So just need to splash some primer on those and then we're good to go. Now I nearly forgot to drill the plug welded holes on the cross member, and the reason this cross member hasn't got any holes drilled in it already is because the guy unpicked them from underneath. So I've just remembered to mark and drill the holes. I've got a rotisserie so I can plug weld it from underneath. That'll be fine. Okay, so I hope that shows the process pretty much from start to finish. So I've got my joddle, then I'm going with screws to bring them together. I'm plug welding to get my location fixings, shall we call them, here, and then this being the cosmetic side, I'm grinding these welds flush. But these welds, as I say, they're only really to set the panel in position, and once it's in that scenario all the way round and all the spot weld is done, then we'll flip it over and we'll run a seam underneath all the way along. So I've got plenty to get on with finishing this off. Next time I hope to be getting into slinger brackets, jacking points and seatbelt mountings. So thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.